Dear friends, this video is about the absolute right of a woman over her body. It includes the right to life, the right to dignity, the right to health, and the right to health includes the right to abortion or not to abortion of a married woman or a unmarried woman. This is our issue today. The Government of India has issued a notification on 25th March 2021 on the termination of medical pregnancy amendment bill, which was got assent from the President of India last week. The point herein is that before this Act 2021, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021, the reason for pregnancy or for having a pregnancy, the medical opinion of a doctor, one doctor for 12 weeks of pregnancy of that conception ought to be given. In the cases of above 12 weeks to 24 weeks, two opinions of doctors must be given. If it is not given, definitely it will be made as an illegal pregnancy, and the medical practitioners would be put to task to put them into jail up to 3 years under the Indian Penal Code 1860. The point herein is that before 1971, there were a lot of criminal cases against the medical practitioners who have done this type of abortions in the past. Now it has been changed to 24 weeks of consumption, and beyond that, on court's interventions and the advice of the medical team, it could be even extended beyond 24 weeks of consumption for abortion. It's a different matter. The point here is that the positive aspects of this amendment made in 2021 Act is that it has made that it includes unmarried women. This is a positive recommendation. And another thing is that the medical practitioners would disclose certain issues connected with the abortions of women to a third party would be made that is penalized and put into a task. It is a new development. The condition in India is this. About 15.5 million pregnancy, that is abortion cases have been taking place in India every year. And these cases, most of the cases happening due to this unsafe delivery or abortion cases, not according to the standards given by the World Health Organizations. It's a different matter. The point here is that due to the social stigma attached to the Indian context in India, women are not given preference of their choices to give birth to their children, but decided by the husband's family. It's a different matter. Another issue is that in India, illegal, that is illegitimate pregnancies are not supported by social, due to certain social issues and the economic constraints attached thereto. It's a point for considerations, but we have to mention here is the Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired judgment. The Constitutional Court and the Justice Chandrasud has rightly said that The reproductive choice of a woman is the right guaranteed under the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. The point here is that whatever may be the issues are concerned, the issues connected to the reproductive choices are either to abort or not to abort shall be the onus and responsibility of women, either to continue the child developing in her fetus or to abort in a different way for different reasons. The case Pottaswamy judgment ought to be implemented in India in all earnest. It must be women centric and the welfare centric of women's health under a choice of reproduction or abortion or not to abortion shall be given at all times on the priority of the women's choice. It's our humble request to the Indian community to adhere to these principles at least in the near future in the longer interest of the women's rights. Thank you so much.